how to capture a hyperlapse video on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. Now in here, you want to go to the mode at the bottom and swipe across and tap on more. In more, you want to tap on hyperlapse. Then point your camera at the subject and tap on the shutter button to start recording. Now in here, you can move the subjects around, point your camera at where you want to record the video, and then you can tap on the stop button when you finished. So you can see here at the moment, this is the actual time that we're using to record, and this is how much it will be in once the video has been saved as a hyperlapse video. At the moment it is only 1 second, so if I tap on the stop button and I will replay the video, you can see this video is only 1 second long. So here I will play the hyperlapse video, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.